Good afternoon everyone, it's Anna from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 bringing you this stunning new Interstock BMW M440i. Such a stunning car, amazing spec and finished in this very special sought after colour. It's called San Remo Green and it's got also the Oyster ivory leather inside. It is just an absolutely beautiful car. As you can see under the lights, it is this stunning metallic green shade, almost changes colour in different lightings. The car itself is a 2023 with just under 11,000 miles, super high spec, full BMW Service history. It's absolutely stunning, really stands out from the crowd. Beautiful diamond cut alloys on there. It's in absolutely fabulous condition. It's been really, really well cared for. Privacy glass on the back, again all alloys that are marked of course with the red brake calipers, just some nice contrast there. 20-inch BMW bi-colour alloys and they just set it off really nicely. Plenty of spec including comfort pack, heated steering wheel, tech pack, wireless charging, all sorts, keyless entry, exit and start. It's got a heads-up display. It's just got pretty much everything you can imagine. Love this colour so much. Show you the interior. 2 keys of course. Got the extended display screen there. And this stunning ivory full leather interior. Harman Kardon sound system as well. Makes all the difference on these. It's also got ambient lighting. Let's jump in. Sounds absolutely fantastic as well, I must say. You can see there, if you look straight ahead, heads-up display. Wireless Apple CarPlay, of course. Different ambient lighting modes, you can change the colour and brightness of that. Wireless charging in here, cup holders, all your different driving modes, sport, comfort, eco, etc. Sat nav of course, all your usual bits and bobs that you'd expect. But yeah, it's just absolutely stunning inside, really, really well looked after. As you can see, this nice, almost like carbon fibre effect on the interior, which is absolutely lovely. I'll show you in the back. Oh, got child locks on. Rear seats again in really stunning condition. Doesn't look like anyone's ever sat in here. Isofix covers in place. There's no scratches on the backs of the seats. Something I always look out for, especially if someone's had kids in the car, is little seat marks on the back. But yeah, it's been really well looked after. I love the colour combination actually. I think that's what sells it for me, as well as the spec. Heads-up display and heated steering wheel, 2 things I can't live without. But yeah, if you're interested in financing, we have some excellent rates of finance on at the moment. PCP and HP, lease purchase as well as business finance. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. You can email us at info@kingsbridgeautos.co.uk or head over to our website, click the WhatsApp button and inquire today.